Oke, udah di-share ya materinya ya. Ya, malam Kak Malika ya. Malam ini kita akan mempelajari mengenai demonstrative determiner. Jadi yang perlu diketahui ya, demonstrative determiner ini adalah istilah ya, yang digunakan untuk merujuk suatu benda, seperti benda ini atau benda itu. Ya. Please note that the demonstrative determiner is a term used to refer to an object, such as this object, that object, and so on. Definisinya, what is the definition? Demonstrative determiners are auxiliary words that are used to indicate objects as a nouns at a point. Yeah? The following is a breakdown of how to use demonstrative determiners in general. Ya, jadi demonstrative determiners itu adalah kata bantu yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan objek atau kata benda di suatu titik. Ya, jadi berikut pembagian cara penggunaan demonstratif determiner secara umum. Ya, this and that. This ini artinya ini, and that itu ya. Are both used for single or single objects. The difference is that this is used when the object being discussed is close to the speaker, and that when the object is far from the speaker. Ya, jadi this ini untuk ini dan that itu untuk itu, ya sama-sama digunakan untuk objek tunggal ya atau yang jumlahnya satu. Jadi bedanya ini, this ini digunakan ketika objek ya yang dibicarakan dekat dengan pembicara, dan that ketika objeknya jauh dari pembicara. As for example, this is my book. Ya, ini buku saya. The speaker's position is very close. Ya, posisi pembicaranya sangat dekat dengan objek bendanya. That is my book. Itu buku saya. The speaker's position is far away. Ya, posisi pembicara jauh dengan objeknya. Objeknya kan adalah buku itu. Ya, selanjutnya, these and those. The use of these, ini adalah ini, and those, itu, is similar ya, to this and that. The difference is, these and those are used for more than one or plural object. Jadi kalau this and those, ini ya serupa ya dengan this and that. Bedanya, this and those ini digunakan untuk objek yang berjumlah lebih dari satu atau plural. Ya. Ini ya perbedaannya. Here are the details of the difference. This used to design a single object close to the speaker. Ya. Jadi di sini ya digunakan untuk menunjuk objek tunggal yang dekat dengan pembicara. Contohnya adalah, for example, this is a pen. Ya, ini adalah sebuah pulpen. This is not a globe. Ya, ini bukan sebuah bola dunia. Is this your rubber? Apakah ini penghapusmu? Selanjutnya kita masuk ke that. That used to refer to a single object that is far away from the speaker. Jadi that ini digunakan untuk menunjuk objek tunggal yang jauh dengan pembicara. Contohnya, for example, that is my pencil case. Itu adalah kotak pensil saya. That is not your bag. Itu bukan tasmu. Is that a correction fluid? Ya, apakah itu cairan koreksi? Ya. Selanjutnya kita masuk ke this. This used to design a plural object close to the speaker. For example, these are our lunch boxes. These are not her pants. Are these his rubbers? Apakah itu cairan koreksi? Cairan apa? Are these ya? Penghapus ya? Apakah ini penghapusnya? These. Oke, selanjutnya kita ke those. Those used to refer to plural objects that are far away from the speaker. For example, those are my chairs. Ya. Ini adalah kursi-kursi saya. Itu, ya, those. Selanjutnya, those are not my rulers, yaitu bukan penggaris saya. Are those our drinking bottles? Apakah itu adalah ya botol-botol minuman kita? Sampai sini ada pertanyaan Kak tentang demonstrative determiner? Ada? Ada suaranya Kak Malika. Masih di mute ya?
Oh iya lupa Miss.
Oke.
Belum ada,
Gimana?
Miss.
Belum ada. Oke,
Ya.
kalau belum ada, kita masuk ke exercise ya. Aku menemukan anak anjing ini sebulan yang lalu. How do you change it into English?
I found this puppy a month ago.
Yeah, I found this puppy a month ago ya.
Yep.
Selanjutnya, ini adalah masjid.
This is a mosque.
Mosque. Mosque.
Mosque. Okay.
Ini adalah keburukan.
Bukan.
Keburukan.
Keburukan. Oh. This is a bad thing.
Ya,
Burukan
this
apa?
is a bad thing atau this is a bad ya.
Okay.
Pakaian-pakaian ini akan disumbangkan ke panti asuhan.
Panti asuhan apa ya?
Orphanage. Orphanage.
Oh, iya. These clothes will be given to the orphanage.
Yeah. These clothes will be donated to an orphanage. Aku telah mengumpulkan perangko-perangko ini sejak setahun yang lalu.
Perangko apa nih?
Stamps.
I've collected these stamps since a
Aku
year
telah,
ago.
aku telah coba.
I
Aku
have
telah.
collected
Mm-mm.
these
Mm-mm.
stamps
Ya, sejak tahun lalu,
since a year ago.
since a year ago. Jadi, I've been collecting these stamps. Ini kan kalau pakai been tambah verb ing itu kan artinya sudah kejadiannya sudah lampau tapi masih berlangsung nih sampai sekarang. Kayak enggak.
Okay.
Jadi kan masuknya itu ya seperti I have been present perfect tense. Ya.
Mm-mm.
Jadi dari setahun yang lalu sampai sekarang masih berlangsung. Ya, selanjutnya poster Blackpink ini pasti mahal.
Kalau poster juga nih.
Poster juga sama.
These Blackpink posters must be expensive.
Ya, these Blackpink posters must be expensive. Kaos kaki ini tidak cocok.
Di stok,
Gimana diulang?
kalau kaos kaki stocking atau stok?
Socks.
Oh,
SOCKS. Socks.
socks. Okay, stock. This stock doesn't match.
These socks ya. Doesn't match.
Hmm. Ini
Selanjutnya,
pakai this atau this?
These sock do not match ya. Kan kaos kaki ini tidak cocok. Pakainya this. Oh, kaos kaki ini ya. Oh
Iya.
iya, tadi aku kekurangan kurang bilangnya harusnya kaos kaki ini banyak.
Oh,
Ya pakai
oke.
this. Oke, selanjutnya. Ini adalah paket-paket yang sudah siap dikirim.
Paket apa nih?
Packages.
These are the packages that are ready to be sent.
Ready for shipment. Pengirimannya. Maksudnya siap
Ready
dikirim. Ready for shipment. These are packages that are ready for shipment.
for shipment.
Ya, selanjutnya. Ini adalah burung-burung kecil.
These are small birds.
Ya, these are small birds. Ini adalah gelas-gelas kaca.
Gelas-gelas.
Gelas-gelas kaca apa? Mirror,
Glasses. Oh, itu apa ya? Mirror, cup.
glasses. Kalau cup kan cangkir. Mirror glasses.
Mirror glasses.
Hmm. Jadi these ya. These are.
Ya.
Itu adalah suara ayam.
That is sound of a chicken.
Suara ayam.
Ayam apa
Chicken
ya?
voice ya. Kalau sound itu suara yang kita hasilkan kan. Tapi kalau
Oh.
apa? Sound ya. Kalau sound itu kayak kita dengerin musik gitu ya kan, sound gitu. Tapi kalau suara ayam itu pakainya voice.
Okay. Chicken voice.
That is chicken voice.
Hmm?
Itu adalah burung merpati.
That is pigeon. Game. Pigeon.
Apa? Burung
Pigeon.
merpati. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Ya. Itu adalah bunga anggrek.
Hmm.
Bunga anggrek. Bunga
Anggrek.
orchid.
Orchid.
Ya, kita bacanya orchid ya, bukan orchid.
Orchid. That is orchid.
Ya. That is orchid. Selanjutnya coba ini. Apel-apel itu belum matang.
Those apples haven't ripe yet.
Apa?
Haven't ripe.
Those
Ripe.
ya, ripe. Belumnya pakai apa belumnya? Yet
Haven't.
ya. Yet. Jadi those apples weren't ripe yet.
Were. Okay.
Udah paham ya?
Hmm.
Oke, selanjutnya kita masuk ke ini ya. Speaking practice. Terakhir udah sampai di mana ya?
Sampai mana?
Yang udah kelihatan ya gambarnya? Yang ini udah belum?
Udah.
Ya, ini udah. Oke,
Iya.
selanjutnya yang ini udah belum?
Belum.
Oke, yang ini ya. Bisa dibaca?
I love to go fishing. Itu nggak bacanya?
Benar. I love to go fishing.
I like to sit by the lake in the sun. I have a long fishing rod and a hook on the end of it. I have to put some food on the end of the boat. The hook. If the fish like the food, they will bite it, and I can catch them. If I catch a fish, I can take it home to eat for dinner. I don't catch fish every time I go to the lake, but that is okay. It is still fun to catch. At the weekend, my dad comes fishing with me. He can catch a lot of fish.
Yeah. Can you answer the question number 1?
What do you need to go fishing?
Ya, perlu apa nih untuk pergi memancing?
You need to bring the fishing rod. Fishing rod itu apa ya?
Fishing rod, alat pancing itu loh. Apa? Pancingan.
Hmm,
Apa namanya? Fishing rod itu loh. Alat
ya,
untuk memancing apa?
apa ya? Emang ada namanya nih?
Ada kah? Tongkat pancing.
Angkatan. Oke.
Mm-mm.
Jadi, nah, iya, fishing rod.
Fishing rod and what else?
Apa lagi yang dibawa? You have to bring the
Ada dari bacaan ini ya. You can find the answer in the from the question from the passage. Ya, ada di situ.
fishing rod, and you have to bring some food
Fishing rod and
to put some food to put
some
it
food.
on the end.
Yeah. Is there anything else? Ada lagi nggak?
I think you have to bring the basket too to put the fish in.
And a hook ya. And a hook on the end of it. Hook, tahu nggak hook?
Itu apa ini?
Kail, apa sih? Untuk naruh umpan?
Yang bentuknya gini ya?
Ya, apa?
Ah,
Kail ya. Hook.
oh iya kayu ya.
Ya, kail tuh yang untuk naruh umpan di ujung tongkatnya, ujung tongkat ikan. Ya, selanjutnya, number 2.
What does she do with the fish she catch?
He catches. Ya, dia kan nangkapnya lebih dari satu ya.
Okay. He cooks it for dinner.
He cook. Ya, jadi ada di sini ya.
Iya.
He can take it home ya, to eat for dinner. He take it ya, he took it and he ate ya, for dinner. Okay, next.
Who goes fishing with him on Saturday and Sunday? His dad.
His dad. Jadi in full sentence. Can you answer this in full sentence?
His dad goes fishing with him on the weekend.
Yeah, on the weekend atau on Saturday and Sunday. Next, the last question.
Why
The
do you
last for
put
this page. Yeah, why do you put food on the end of the hook?
so the fish will bite it and he can catch them?
To catch? Oh ya, yang ini ya.
Yep.
If the fish like the food, they will bite it, yeah? And he can catch them. Okay, next. Yeah, there's a picture. Yeah, 2 pictures here. Look at the pictures and tell the story. Yeah, you should answer all the question. Jadi mendeskripsikan gambar di sini ya, dengan menceritakan cerita, sebuah cerita, ceritanya apa nih masing-masing. Ya, kamu bisa mengarang ya kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan di sini yang tidak ada di gambar. Misalnya, what are the children's name? Boleh mengarang. Jadi kamu bisa menceritakan atau mendeskripsikan gambar ini dengan menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan. Dengan menceritakan. Yang membuat sebuah cerita, story.
Dari yang what day is today,
Ya, what day is today?
I think the day they're going picnic would be on the weekend.
Mhm. On the weekend. Kira-kira hari apa tuh? On the weekend. Saturday or Sunday?
Yeah, Saturday or Sunday.
Saturday.
Yep.
And then,
Okay. Selanjutnya,
who is in the picture?
what is in the picture? There is, there are the father, the mother, the son, and the daughter.
Mm. And what else? The question?
What are the children's names? I wrote name this time Kevin.
How is the weather?
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. What are the children's name? Siapa aja namanya?
Yes. The son.
The son? Okay.
Name
Name?
is Kevin.
Kevin. And what about a girl?
The girl one is Cindy.
Cindy?
Cindy.
Cindy. Okay.
Mm.
Next question.
Okay, where is the family?
Where is the family? Di mana nih keluarganya? Kira-kira berada?
I think
The family is in
the garden.
the garden or in the park? The garden, yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Next question.
Okay, how is the weather? The weather is sunny and windy, I guess.
Sunny.
And cloudy.
Cloudy. Jadi kalau ada dua itu nggak bisa pakai is ya, pakai are. The weather are
Sunny
and cloudy.
windy.
Ya, selanjutnya.
What does mom carry? The mom carry a basket.
Ya, kira-kira isinya apa? What is in the basket?
The basket is full of fruit and drink.
Fruit and drink. Okay, drinks ya, minuman-minuman. Fruits and drinks. A basket full of drinks and fruits. Okay, next.
What does that hold in his hand?
That hold
That hold
in his apa? Titik-titik ya. Blank blank in his hand.
that hold it's like that.
Apa? A bag, a paper bag. Isinya apa?
Yeah.
You can also mention about the apa? What is in what it's in it gitu ya. What it's in the bag. Isinya kira-kira apa?
Inside of the bag would be the picnic table.
A picnic mat, maybe?
Yeah, mat. Ya.
Ya, jadi how to answer that in full question? Gimana caranya menjawab itu dengan kalimat langsung, kalimat apa? Kalimat yang full gitu loh. Kalimat yang lengkap. That,
Things like that. Oh, that. Oh,
ya, that
that.
hold kan? That hold.
Oh, that hold a paper bag in his hand,
Mm-mm. And
and the thing in it, well, the thing in it is the picnic mat.
yeah, picnic mat. And then, what do they want to do?
What do they want to do?
They want to do,
They want to do a picnic together.
yeah, a picnic together on maybe on a weekend, yeah.
Yep, they can.
Okay, next picture.
What time is it?
Yes, what time is it?
I think the time would be around let's see,
Around 5,
yeah, around 5,
5 in the afternoon.
yep, 5 in the afternoon.
Okay, next.
Where are they sitting? They sitting above the
Above the,
tree.
maybe you
Eh,
can say on the ground, ya. Di
yeah,
atas
on the
tanah.
ground.
Mm-mm.
What did they put on the ground?
Mm-mm. Apa nih yang
They put
mereka taruh?
they put the
A
the
picnic
picnic
mat.
mat, yes,
And what it's in the picnic mat?
and food and drink, and
Food or
they,
meals?
yep, put on
Yeah, fruits. What else?
the drink,
Drinks. What kind of drink? Minumannya
what
apa?
water,
Water. Mineral water.
yep, mineral water,
What else?
and
Can you spot any shoes?
oh yes,
Yeah.
this is
And
of
a
the
pair of?
and a pair of shoes.
Yeah.
Sticker.
What about a basket?
Oh yeah, the basket too.
Ya, apa tuh isinya? What inside of the basket?
Ya, kelihatan. Oke, itu nih.
Ini zoom lagi.
Kontainer, kontainer bukan?
Jars ya. Jars of food ya. Toples isi makanan.
Jars of food.
Mm-mm.
Oke.
Okay. Next.
What do they eat? They eat. I saw some snacks. I see some snacks
They
in there.
eat some
Chips, potato chips,
chips. Okay, and then
and then a salad,
salad. What else?
and then a
Beside the chips. Ada yang di samping chips itu apa?
sandwich, sandwiches.
Sandwich ya, sandwiches. Okay, next.
Okay. What do they drink? They drink a mineral water.
Ya, mineral water. Okay.
What is there as a dessert? There is a chocolate cake as a
Chocolate cake.
dessert.
Hmm.
Okay. What does the boy like? The boy like. What does the boy like?
Ya, kira-kira cowoknya suka apa nih? Dia lagi mengambil apa nih di dalam gambar itu? What is he took? Dia sedang mengambil
Boy.
apa?
Itu kue bukan, Mas?
Boy? Ya boy.
Itu kue kan yang
Oh,
diambil.
cake ya. So you
Iya.
can say apa? Drumstick ya. Kan?
Drumstick.
Drumstick, paha ayam.
Oh, itu paha ayam.
Yeah, it's look like
Oh ya, drumstick. I think the boy likes drumstick chicken.
Drumstick aja udah artinya chicken ya. Nggak usah pakai chicken
Oh,
lagi. Drumstick.
no. Yeah. Okay. What does the girl like? I think the girl like the chocolate cake.
Okay.
Hmm.
The what is on the right picture?
Hmm?
Ya, gambar yang sebelah kanan ini.
Oh. What do they do after eating?
Mm-mm.
They playing around,
They
playing.
playing, and
Apa
then
ini?
what about the parents?
The parents is laying on
The
the ground,
parents playing.
laying,
Oh,
laying.
laying. Okay. The parents are laying on the ground. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, what do the parents do? They watch over the kids
Mm-mm.
while playing around.
Mm-mm. Playing around. Okay.
What do the children do? The children is
The children are kan dua.
oh yeah, the children are playing around.
Playing around.
Kalau kejar mengejar itu apa nih?
Catching.
Catching.
Catching ya. Kejar mengejar. Kejar berkejaran.
Berkejaran. Iya,
Ya,
catching.
berkejaran. Mengejar kan? Catching.
Ya.
Mm-mm.
Catching.
What time?
What time do they go to home?
Mm-mm.
I think it's 6 p.m.
They go to home around
Yes, they go to home around 6 p.m.
15.
Or
Pas
15.
jam berapa?
6 p.m.
Oh, 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. in the afternoon ya. They
Hmm.
go to home atau they go home around 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Oke.
Yep.
Kak Malika udah kerjain homework belum?
Udah nih.
Ya, boleh di-share ya.
Tuh. Hmm.
Oke, ini aku share homework juga ya.
Oke.
Oke, boleh dibaca.
Hmm.
Oh, ini demonstrative determiner.
Itu di bawahnya.
Oh, di bawahnya. Kirain. Oke.
I always like shopping at the mall, but I didn't have enough money, so I asked my mother to come along so I could use her money instead. The problem is we have different tastes in fashion. For example, I like sporty clothes, and she likes girly clothes. When I said I would like to buy this jacket, she wouldn't let me buy it, or she wouldn't apa ya?
Mana?
Membayar apa ini?
Pay. Pay.
Oh, she wouldn't pay for it because it's not her type of taste. Even though it's mine who wore it, it's me who wore it. Now, sadly, I have to earn my own money so I can buy what I want.
Oke, termasuk itu apa? Adverbnya yang mana aja?
Ini kalau yang always termasuk nggak?
Always termasuk adverb apa?
Adverb of frequency?
Ya, termasuk.
Oke.
Ada lagi?
Oke. Hmm, hmm, kayaknya ada. Adverb of purpose
Yang mana?
yang because.
Because ya.
Hmm. Terus lanjut.
Itu yang ada yang di ujung. Sadly. Sadly
Iya,
itu
sadly.
bukan adverb deh. Apa adverb ada? Oh iya,
Iya,
adverb apa?
of manner.
Ya, ada lagi nggak?
Enggak, kayaknya nggak ada sih. Kalau for
Materi.
example termasuk nggak?
For example termasuk apa?
Nggak tahu.
Kira-kira termasuk kategori adverb apa nih? For
Hmm,
example, kayaknya enggak deh.
enggak.
Enggak.
Oke.
Ya. Ya, itu kan bukan kata keterangan ya, for example.
Mm-mm.
Oke, ini sudah cukup bagus ya.
Yep.
Nggak ada lagi ya yang lainnya.
Mm-mm.
I didn't have enough. Nih enough ya. Enough termasuk apa? Kan termasuk
Ini,
ya adverb
ini ya.
enough ya. Termasuk enough. Enough ini termasuk adverb apa?
Mm-mm. Oh.
Ada di materi kok.
Hmm. Oh ya, adverb of degree.
Ya. So the problem is we have different taste in fashion. For example, I like sports clothes and she likes when I said like this packet, she wouldn't let me buy it because it's not okay. Now sadly I have to earn my. Ya, udah, that's it ya.
Yep.
Excellent. Like always. Oke. Sampai sini kira-kira ada pertanyaan nggak terkait demonstratif determiner dan homeworknya?
Hmm. Nggak ada mas.
Nggak ada ya. Kalau nggak ada, kita selesaikan sampai sini ya. We end this
Yep.
session and we will meet again on another session. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Kamalika. Have
thank
a good
you.
night.
Thank you. Yeah, you too.